Imagine a city where every traffic jam is a distant memory, every building is a marvel of efficiency, and every green space is perfectly optimized. This isn't science fiction anymore. We're on the cusp of an AI-designed urban revolution. But the real question is, are we ready for a world where algorithms dictate our very lives? Picture this: a city that breathes, adapts, and anticipates your every need, not sketched out by human hands, but born from the cold logic of artificial intelligence. We're talking about urban landscapes where AI doesn't just manage the chaos, it prevents it from ever starting. Right now, AI is already flexing its muscles in urban planning. In Montreal, algorithms are building climate-resilient neighborhoods by predicting flood risks and optimizing green infrastructure. Over in Helsinki, AI tools are supercharging citizen engagement, letting residents vote on park designs through chatbots that simulate outcomes in real time. And globally, we're seeing AI tackle everything from traffic optimization, slashing commute times by up to 30% in pilot programs, to resource management, like smart grids that cut energy waste by balancing supply with hyper-local demand. The dream: hyper-efficient, sustainable megacities where carbon emissions plummet, biodiversity thrives in engineered ecosystems, and your daily life feels ... effortless. AI could turn our sprawling concrete jungles into living, breathing organisms. But how does it get from data to dream? So, how exactly would AI design a city? It starts with generative design. Think of it as evolution on steroids. Feed the AI vast data sets, population trends, climate models, historical blueprints. Then let it iterate millions of possibilities in hours, not years. For transportation, AI crunches traffic patterns and predicts peak hours, spitting out layouts with elevated walkways, autonomous shuttles, and bike lanes that snake through buildings like veins. Green spaces, it analyzes biodiversity data to place parks where they cool the air most effectively and boost mental health scores. Community hubs emerge from predictive modeling, clustering schools, clinics, and markets where people actually need them, all while learning from flops, like Brazilia's car-centric sprawl or Detroit's industrial ghosts. Researchers at Virginia Tech are already proving this. Generative AI like ChatGPT can draft zoning plans or simulate disaster responses, turning raw data into actionable blueprints. It's not magic, it's math on a planetary scale. But here's the twist: who holds the pencil when the machine starts drawing? Will AI boot human architects and planners out of the drafting room? Not likely, at least, not if we play it smart. Experts see AI as the ultimate co-pilot. Humans bring the soul, the stories, the what if this neighborhood feels alive vibe, while AI handles the grunt work of optimization. Take Johns Hopkins Vision. Planners using AI to review zoning changes or craft master plans, but always with human veto power. Ethics come first. We need ironclad frameworks to embed human values, like equity and joy, into the code. No more redlining baked into algorithms. And don't forget the people. Imagine democratic apps where citizens upload dreams. More playgrounds here, and AI mashes them with feasibility data. Public input isn't an afterthought, it's the spark. In 2025, cities like those piloting MasterCard's AI tools are already blending this for safer, more engaged streets. Collaboration isn't optional. It's the blueprint for trust. But let's pump the brakes. What if the algorithm glitches on a citywide scale? A single biased dataset could amplify inequalities. Think AI prioritizing luxury high-rises over affordable housing, widening the gap for marginalized communities. We've seen it in smaller scales. Facial recognition fails. Predictive policing profiles wrongly. Scale that to urban design. Catastrophic. Privacy's the next landmine. AI needs oceans of data, your commute, your shopping, your social feeds to anticipate needs. Who owns that intel? Corporations? Governments? In health-centric planning trends, AI could track wellness via wearables. But at what cost to our autonomy? and the fallout. Job displacement for thousands of planners, unless we retrain fast. Accessibility gaps for the unconnected. Creating digital divides in agentic AI systems that self-heal infrastructure but ignore the offline. Socioeconomic ripples could turn promise into peril. Are we building cities or cages? Yet, the upside is intoxicating. AI-designed cities could slash emissions by 40%, boost quality of life through intuitive spaces, and make sustainability not a buzzword, but reality, like self-adjusting smart buildings that heal cracks before they spread. The key is governance with teeth, human oversight, transparent audits, and public say-so at every layer. This urban evolution isn't inevitable, it's a choice. So, hit the comments. Would you live in an AI-crafted city? What rules would you demand? Subscribe for more dives into tech's wild frontiers, and let's build the future together. Thanks for watching.